Hey guys, it's Mitchell. I wanted to do a little app review today for an application that I have been using quite a bit, but quite a bit more lately, and that's Google Tasks. Google Tasks is kind of an unforgotten, hidden task manager app that has a lot of benefits. Now, if you are a Google Calendar user like I am, all of your Google Tasks will populate on your calendar and you can go ahead and complete them as necessary. Another really nice thing that you have that's an option is if you have multiple email accounts, you can go ahead and use those different email accounts for different task lists. So for example, if I am working on something for my YouTube channel, I will have that set to a different list. In our task options, we can add details, add date and time, and it will show up on our calendar as a constant reminder, add subtasks to that, and ultimately help you accomplish more stuff. I really like this, and its integration with Google Assistant makes it really clean and nice. And ultimately, as tasks and as productivity apps go, the fact that this one is so simple, so intuitive, and so just minimalistic and easy to use is a task manager that I really like. Another added benefit to this, especially if you're on MIUI or just any Android device with a big screen, is the home screen application that's responsive. It allows you to add stuff right from the home screen without actually opening up the app. And let me go ahead and open up the app for you guys and show you my tasks, completed tasks. So now that we have these tasks, these tasks should show back up on our calendar. As you can see here, on Google Calendar, we have the option for tasks. Let's see if I can go ahead and make a task pop up for you guys. Task, new task. Let's set it for tomorrow, set time, 5 p.m. And repeats once. And let's make that task, edit video. Okay, now that it's synced with the cloud, this should show up on our Google Calendar. Yes, and here we have on our Google Calendar, edit videos. So if you want an easy way to add tasks or add a to-do list to your calendar, I think that Google Tasks is a great option, but I would like to know what your productivity tools are in the comment section down below. And until next time, it's been Mitchell. Peace.